Unit 2, Digital Assessment, 6th grade, the number system. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, you will type your last name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. Number 1. What ordered pair corresponds to point F? So look for point F on the coordinate plane and look for the ordered pair that corresponds to that. What is the ordered pair for point F? Is it 1, -2, -1, -2, or -2, -1? Number 2, which point corresponds to the ordered pair 3, -2? Is it point B, point A, or point D? Number 3, the pool is located at 0, 0. To get to your house from the pool, you walk 3 blocks west and 1 block north. What ordered pair corresponds to the location of your house? Use the blank coordinate plane on the Jamboard to help you plot the points. So you should have that opened up in another tab. It looks like this. And I would use the pen on the side over here to plot your points accordingly to the directions. And you can use the cardinal direction picture to help you which way is north, east, south, or west. Your choices for the ordered pair that corresponds to the location of your house are 3, 1, -3, 1, or -3, -1. Number 4, what is the distance between point F and point D? How many units does it take to get from point F to point D? Is it 4 units, 5 units, or 6 units? Number 5, point G is located at -6, +4. Which point is 4 units away from point G? A, B, or C? Number 6, what are the coordinates for the point N? What is the ordered pair? 7, 6, 6, 6, or 5, 5? Number 7, which quadrant is point E located in? Don't forget to draw the big C to help you understand the numbers of the quadrants. Is it quadrant 1, quadrant 2, or quadrant 4? Number 8, which point is located in quadrant 2? Again, draw that big C to help you remember the order of the quadrants. Is it point F, point D, or point C? Number 9, you should have the Jamboard open again for this one to help you plot these points. The center of town is at 0, 0. Your house is located 5 units east and 2 units north from the center of town. So you're going to plot that point. Your friend's house is located 5 units east and 3 units south from the center of town. What is the distance between your house and your friend's house? Use the blank coordinate plane on the Jamboard to help you plot the points. So again, the Jamboard should be in another tab for you so you can easily locate that. And you're going to first plot the points for the location of your house, the location of your friend's house, and then find the distance between your house and your friend's house. Use the cardinal directions to the left over here to help you go in the right direction. Your choices are 7 units, 6 units, or 5 units. And number 10, your house is located at -4, 0. Your friend's house is 6 units east of your house. What is the distance from your house to your friend's house? Use the blank coordinate plane on Jamboard to help you plot the points. So again, the Jamboard should be in a separate tab, readily available for you. Make sure you're looking at the right number for the problem. We're on number 10. So you're first going to plot the location of your house at -4, 0. Then you're going to plot the point for your friend's house, which is 6 units east of your house. Then you must determine what is the distance from your house to your friend's house. Your choices are 6 units, 8 units, or 5 units. Make sure you checked all of your answers and turn it in.